Hi there, hope you're doing well. I am back with the Brute from Zombicide Undead or Alive. They were black and white Xanathal primed, and I get started with all of that exposed skin using Dwarven skin. I would suggest though, if you're following this tutorial, paint the clothing first, as it will make this mini significantly faster to paint. I'm also going for a more natural skin tone this time around, just to help differentiate that between the different types of zombies. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. The first highlight on the skin is Elven skin, covering the majority of the skin again, just leaving that darker colour in the recesses and the shadows. Finishing the layering on the skin, I went for Corpse Pale. This is the uppermost parts, just to make them pop that bit more. There are a few boils over the skin, and also to make them look a bit more sickly, I painted them dead flesh. For the skull and the teeth, I gave them a once over with Skeleton Legion. To make the tongue pop, I use Magenta, which is maybe a little too pink, but hopefully the wash darkens it down enough. Next up, I start on the clothing with Army Painter's Leather Brown for the bottoms. Now for the longest part of this video, I used Ancient Forest to paint the torn apart shirt. This part really did take way too long because I was trying to avoid the skin. So if you do this part first, you can be much faster and easily paint the skin around it. As with all my Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. For the legs of the tripod, I went for True Copper. To finish the metal parts, I grabbed gun metal. Since I'm trying to keep this fairly short and the mini has already taken far longer than it should have, I decided to use a single wash again with flesh wash over everything. This stained a bit more than I thought it would do, but it still kind of looks just dirty. Making the base look a bit better, I applied sandy desert texture to it. As with the runners, zombies need some blood, so I used Vampire Thirst again just to spatter on some bloodstains. And that will be it for the Brute. Not as quick as I hoped it would be, but there aren't too many of these in the box anyway, so there's no real need to change the method. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and as always, be kind to each other.